Most people planning retirement in Europe make the same assumption. They assume their state pension will replace their income. It wasn't designed to do that. But once you understand what it is designed to do, planning becomes much calmer. For years, I assumed I understood my state pension. I heard estimates, I saw projections, and I assumed it would probably be fine. But I never really asked what it was designed to cover and what it wasn't. That difference turned out to matter much more than I expected. Let's start with the part people often underestimate. If you've worked in Europe for most of your career, you will receive a state pension. It's guaranteed, it's predictable, and it doesn't depend on market returns. That stability is incredibly valuable. While savings can fluctuate, your pension gives you a reliable baseline. You roughly know what's coming and when. And that combination, predictable, inflation-adjusted, and lifelong, is something your savings can't easily replicate. But clarity also means being honest about its limits. Your state pension is not designed to maintain your current lifestyle. It's designed to provide a basic standard of living. In many European countries, the state pension replicates around half of your working income. The exact percentage differs by country, but the principle doesn't. That means if you enjoy a certain lifestyle today, your pension will likely cover only part of it later. And that difference, that gap, is something you need to plan for. So why do so many people misjudge this? Usually not because they're careless, but because the system is complex. First, people think in gross numbers, not net. Pension estimates are often shown before tax. And after taxes and health contribution, the amount you actually receive is lower. Not dramatically, but enough to matter over time. And second, people ignore timing. Your full pension usually starts later than people expect. If you retire earlier, the pension is often reduced permanently. That timing difference can quietly change the whole picture. Third, people assume it's the same for everyone. Marital status, career breaks, or working in multiple countries all affect outcomes. Your pension isn't one fixed number. It's a range, shaped by your choices and assumptions. This is how I think about it now. Your state pension is like a foundation of a house. It's essential, it holds everything up. But comfort, space, and flexibility come from what you build on top of it. Your pension can often cover the basics: housing, utilities, healthcare, daily living. That's not nothing. That's stability. But everything beyond that, travel, hobbies, choices, breathing room, comes from everywhere else. So the real question isn't, is my pension enough? It's, what does my pension cover? And what do I want it to support? This is why I started mapping my pension estimate in a simple way. Not to optimize it, but to understand what it already gives me. Once you see it as a foundation, everything else becomes clearer. Your state pension isn't the problem. Misunderstanding its role is. Used well, it gives you stability, predictability, and peace of mind. But it was never meant to carry your entire retirement on its own. In the next video, I'll show how people typically fill the gap between what the pension covers and the life they actually want to live. If you want to start exploring this for yourself, I've linked a free retirement sheet below. You can estimate your pension, see what it realistically covers, and where you still have room to make choices. That's where planning becomes empowering. Hope to see you in the next one.